Meaning of estimate.
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 Estimate. The term estimate refers to the process of making an informed guess or approximation about the value, size, or quantity of something based on limited and incomplete information. The purpose of estimation may vary from forecasting future costs or revenues in business context, to determining the extent of damage caused by a natural disaster. The results of an estimate are typically presented as a range or interval rather than a precise value, and can be refined over time with additional data and analysis. Effective estimation is an important skill in many fields and involves careful consideration of relevant factors and assumptions.